Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping. Clean, dry skin improves grip and comfort. Once done, pick the correct size using the brand size chart because a loose shaper won't work. Next, position the chin cup and align the jawline pads so the device sits snugly. Fasten straps evenly, tighten gradually so you feel support without pain. Make sure both sides match and that you can open and close your mouth comfortably. Begin with a short, 10–15-minute session to test comfort and fit. Once the shaper is fitted, adjust tension incrementally. Increase wear time by 10–15 minutes per day to let skin and muscles adapt. While wearing, keep a neutral head posture, chin tucked slightly, because alignment maximizes shaping effect. Perform gentle facial movements and light jaw exercises to stimulate muscles. Avoid vigorous chewing. Check straps periodically for even pressure and reassess after 30 minutes. If you feel numbness or sharp pain, loosen straps and rest. Mild warmth or tightness is normal as tissues adjust. To finish, unfasten the shaper slowly and lift it away without yanking, then cleanse and moisturize the skin to soothe pressure points. Monitor the treated area for redness or irritation. If it's mild, allow recovery and resume shorter sessions. If you experience persistent pain, numbness, or significant skin breakdown, stop use and consult a professional. One key troubleshooting tip: if you feel pinching or uneven pressure, loosen the straps or choose a different size. Proper fit is the most common fix and prevents most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.